What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As what I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here. Yeah man, we are doing it. Today we are phoning in a Soulfly fam. You know we are starting off with some alright part one. This is a part and we are doing some grilled chicken. Some oven grilled chicken. So we just show you the basic. We just show you how to season the grilled chicken. So look out for part 2 where I show you how to do the grilled chicken. So first you have to know how to season. So we just show you how chef season in a bulk. So stay tuned and just.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Okay folks, let's get right back into the video. So we got our chicken, wash our chicken, drain our chicken. So cut the chicken in a quart. We will not be showing you how to cut the chicken in this video, but you can look forward for another video where we're going to show you how to cut grilled chicken, grill and roast chicken. So right now we'll be using powder jerk season, wet jerk. So pour wet jerk or powder jerk over the chicken. It's like we're gonna set the chicken layer. So as you can see now, we turn the chicken the back facing down and the inside facing up, so the season get to so that the season will be soaked right. Season will get to soak right in the bone. So one thing we always try to do is that we pour a little bit of oil while seasoning each meat. We pour a little bit of oil so that the season will not sweat off of the meat. So pour back with jerk season. Alright, the jerk season that I'm using now is Portland jerk. So it basically having all natural spice, etc. So when we do that now, we will layer back same way and we'll do back the same thing. So alright, you see the plate I use, it's like that is a measurement. So we know say the first layer would have be 5 chicken. So that would be 10 pieces. So that one plateful would have served for the chicken. So alright. After we put that now, we use a wet jerk. As you can see my wet jerk now, we use a wet jerk and we use egg powder. We mix up with egg powder in our water. So we always have a buckle. As you can see my buckle is right there. We always have a buckle with egg powder mixture. So we are gonna pour. And this I like use this season. This is complete. This have the natural season as mother telling you before in our video. It would have been substitute for the blend up season. It basically are the same thing but in the powdered form. So most chefs use blend up season. Yes. And blend up season can be used even after we season back when we are going to brush back with chicken, which I'm going to show you when we are going to do the grilled chicken in the next video. So we have a soya sauce now. We pour a soya sauce because we want to get that grill color because we are going to use the oven. So for the people who don't have a grill, we are going to show you how to do the grilled chicken in an oven. You don't have to have a grill to do grilled chicken. So you can look out for that video. So now We just incorporate. We just have mix to incorporate all that, and then we are gonna pour over. As you can see, it's not gonna be thick. It's gonna be runny because the soya sauce and the egg powder. We just look for that unique grill color. So we're gonna pour it over the chicken, and then we just have a rub in the season. Yeah, rub in your season. Rub, rub. So this is how most chefs season them grilled chicken in Jamaica. We don't know how other countries season their grilled chicken, but see, this is how we do it. So yeah. So now we just have to rub in the season. Yeah, we just have to rub in the season. Straight rub in the season. I'm the man this rub story, brother. So alright. Grilled chicken. Alright, when we rub in the season, our chicken we are gonna put on with chicken for marinate. So we always do we season like the day before. So this will be me season up my chicken today for prepare tomorrow. Anyways, the longer the chicken stay in the refrigerator, the more the season soak within the bone of the chicken. But beyond a pointer, each every morning you're gonna prepare back that meat. You're supposed to add additional liquid soap, otherwise called as hickory. So we use that because we could use oven, so we forget the smoke flavor. So this is